Good morning, YouTube. Today, my buddy Josh and I are going to go out and drive our cars. He's got a 360, so we're going to go out on some back roads and have a good time and open these cars up and enjoy them. Let's go have some fun. that was a lot of fun. I don't know what it is, but something about when you're driving behind a Ferrari and you get to hear them downshift and all that stuff. It's just music to your ears, and yeah, that was an absolute blast. I did bottom out at one point. I haven't reviewed the footage yet, so I don't know if you could hear it, but I did. You could hear it, hit the ground pretty hard. I think it was the rear diffuser. It happens. I mean, when you're on those back roads, there's a lot of kind of bounciness in them. Whatever. Anyway, you guys are amazing. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. Maybe even watch that video. Definitely should give me the thumbs up. Give Josh's 360 a thumbs up. Consider sharing this video. When you share my videos, it helps my ranking on YouTube go up, which means my channel does better, and then in turn motivates me to do more stuff. So motivate me. Share this video. All right. We'll see you around. We'll be doing more car stuff.